So Dylan has decided to let me colour his hair. So he's going to go silver and I am going to make myself a vegan pulled pork and Philadelphia bagel, and then we're going to do Dylan's hair. He's never coloured his hair before, so this is exciting. This is the pulled pork, apparently. I've never had this before. And it says to fry in a tablespoon of hot vegetable oil for approximately 3 minutes. I don't have any vegetable oil, so sunflower oil would be. Oh shit, that's a lot. That's a lot of oil. Okay. Right, so. Oh! Stay! Stay! Let's go eat our food. And wait for Dylan. Yeah. Are you sitting down there? Are you ready?
Oh, yeah, no. Every breath.
Why are you pacing? Stop! Sit down!
So psyched up.
So what do you want Dylan now? Are you ready?
I know.
Are you nervous?
I am. I've already pre-warned everyone in work for when, so no one has the heart attack when I walk in.
What, are you just going to blame me and say I made you do it?
Yeah. Well, I've said that Jess wanted to die.
Oh yeah. Lynn, I'm filming over here, love.
We're vlogging, Lynn.
God!
Do not leave that.
Bye.
Do not leave that there.
Bye. Ready?
Want me to hold that?
No. Yeah.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Are
yeah.
you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Do it. Dylan's gone.
I know.
How's it feel?
Alright.
It's lightning at the front already.
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it stinging?
A little bit. But nothing like...
Nothing horrific.
No, nothing horrific.
Dylan, we're doing it.
I know. I went round to see my mum and that before I came here because I thought I'm not going round with like weird ginger hair.
It looks good.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
It's painted onto my head, of course. It doesn't look good at the
It
moment.
does. It looks terrible.
That's it. Anything to scoop. You stood on a dock? You stand on a dock there?
Sorry.
My head's too big and pale for a skin of it. I look like one of them things out of I Am Legend.
Could you please do a skinhead next?
No.
Make sure.
And then just as it starts going back, I look like a Maltese that's had like half a chocolate chips off it.
Stop.
That's how my mum. Oh, do that to her, Dylan. It's not beautiful. We're gonna look like a weird sort of M&M when it comes up, like a weird
Yes.
M&M colour.
Well, that's the goal.
Yeah.
It looks good.
It can't look good.
It does look good.
Painted on my head.
It does look good.
It might look good in the end, but during the process,
That's the thing though, it might look good in the end.
it might look good. She wants me to look like an older man.
My sugar daddy. It's saturated. Is it stinging?
A little bit.
Only a little bit.
Only a little bit.
That's
It's lifting quite quickly, that isn't it?
Is this going to go over your head?
I don't know. They give me the Jimmy Neutron thing as well.
I like Jimmy Neutron though. I think he's hot.
Very unfair.
Sauce.
He had a big head as well.
He did.
He had a big-
I've got a type.
Oh, Steve already.
He's got to sit and wait now though. We sit. Shall I do your eyebrows?
No.
No. Have you seen it?
You blonde. You blonde bitch.
What brought you to the place that you are? I lived in fear of my father. I'm a mess right now.
How do you feel, Dylan?
So,
Stinging. I feel stinging. No.
Too bad. Is it bad?
Not too bad. It's just on the bits where I've had shaved. It's
How long's left?
10 minutes.
Oh, cool.
We'll manage.
And then we'll wash it off and dry it.
And then we can
I can't wait to see what the clothes are.
all laugh.
I think we're gonna
We'd have a
to
cuddle
see.
party.
Yeah. You can console me.
I just want to introduce my boyfriend. How good is that, son? Considering how dark he was. Yes. So we're currently just trying. You're gonna suit it.
I know I'm on a sushi bird, don't you told me that?
Show everyone Paul.
It's Paul. Paul the cat.
I think you know he's a cat.
Just to make sure. Paul's not a cat name, apparently. You going down, Paul? Come on then.
Oh, you've got fur all over
Oh, I
you now.
got fur on me. He's molting. No. I look like a lolly that's been dropped on the floor.
You ready?
I'll go on for it. Do you reckon I'm going to suit being a silver fox?
Yeah.
Will it do it for you?
Ah. Oh, it's in your beard.
Get it out! Get it out! Get it out! Yeah.
Let me get a
I
photo.
only got a suited this with a
Face.
with a
Right.
fantastic tan.
There. You see?
Yeah. I am. Gonna look good.
Stop. I lost your bubble then.
When I used to actually have my own bubbles on every top knot.
I know, I miss it so much.
Miss my top knot?
Rest in peace. Leave it on now. Look at it. It looks so dark on the comment. Give me a 12. Bitch. I think it looks good though.
Go! Come on!
Oh, you can't see.
What's Bob doing?
No, it's not. Yeah! Sick. I think we need to go get your wax there so I can see what it looks like properly.
Mm.
Isn't it
I
alright?
want to see it in the back garden. And it's fit.
I think you suit it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're digging it. Silver
Defo.
fox.
Defo.
Silver fox. Scorpio got nothing on that.
How do you feel about it?
I like it.
Do ya?
Yeah, I wasn't as shocked as I thought I was going to be.
I think it's nice. Well, that's
I see
it.
grey hair, I want to look up when I'm older.
Well, that's it anyway. The video is over.
Your cell regeneration model isn't just theoretical after all.
It works as an actual clinical success.
It's finished.
Pediatric cancer patients for close to 30
Next time we should do your blue.
How
me
many
what?
is that?
Do it blue.
Not blue.